Hey everybody, this is Michael Coberline coming from Mesa, Arizona, and I'm here at Durfee Law Group. Wanted to talk to you briefly this morning about the estate planning basic documents, and also wanted to say happy holidays and Merry Christmas. It's December 14th today, so we're just uh, less than a few weeks out from the Christmas holiday, and it's an exciting time of 2020 for us, closing out the year and wanting to wish you a happy holiday and talk a little bit about basic documents. Uh, what basic documents are essentially going to be your last will and testament. They're also a medical power of attorney, a durable general power of attorney, and a living will. Most people who have these documents also have some additional estate planning, but not everybody. Uh, these basic documents are going to be applicable for anyone who is 18 years of age or older. So if you have children who just turned 18 and are becoming adults, or if you're over the age of 18 and you do not have these documents, then it's important for you to make a plan to get those things done. A last will and testament allows you to provide your intent as to who's going to get the assets that you have. And so you would set forth some distributions or who you would give your stuff to in that document. Also, the last will and testament allows you to name guardians. So if you're a parent of minor children and you have a last will and testament, then you should have been able to name guardians or people who would take care of your children in the event that something happens to you. A last will and testament does those things generally. The durable general power of attorney is a document where you would name decision makers in the event that you are incapacitated or unable to make financial decisions for yourself. You would name a decision maker or a number of decision makers to make financial decisions on your behalf and in your best interest in the event that you're incapacitated. Similarly, with a medical power of attorney and a living will, these are both documents where you name decision makers who will make medical decisions on your behalf in the event that you are incapacitated or otherwise unable to make those kinds of decisions for yourself. The difference between one of the main differences between the medical power of attorney and the living will is that with a medical power of attorney, the decision makers that you list in that document are going to be able to make decisions on your behalf in situations where you have a medical condition that is temporary and you're unable to make decisions on your own or you're incapacitated in some way. So those would be for temporary situations. That's the medical power of attorney. The living will is for end of life care and end of life decisions. So the people that you would name in that document would be able to make decisions for you in the event that the physicians tell you that you are going to die. It's just a matter of days or weeks or whatever. And you are unable to make decisions on your for yourself because you're incapacitated, then the decision makers you name in the living will make those decisions for you. And those would be decisions like the DNR, do not resuscitate, or different types of medications or painkillers that physicians can give to you to alleviate pain in the final days of your life. So those are the four basic documents that every adult should have 18 years of age and up. Again, that's the last will and testament, the durable general power of attorney, the medical power of attorney, which also should include, and you should check about this, it should include a mental health power of attorney, which allows decision makers to typically allows decision makers to admit you into a psychiatric hospital in the event that that's what you need. And then the fourth document is the living will. If you have any questions about these documents, you want to learn more about them, you can certainly give us a call at Durfee Law Group. Here's the number, 480-324-8000. We would be glad to talk with you about that. And if you have other questions about estate planning documents or any types of tools that you've been thinking about, give us a call. We do a free consultation and would be glad to talk with you. Thanks for spending some time with me today.